And how different of a journey this is for the squad. She said that they can't just go through the motions anymore. And just like their last game against Farm Fresh, they need...
Lahat rookies. Si Gia lang talaga veterano. Hindi, tingnan mo. In the meantime, and Don Katindig. In the meantime, Kim Pardo unable to keep it in play.
Slow to react in that last rally. 2-point lead for the high-speed hitters.
Dug up by Denden. Galanza adjusts. Here comes the set. Deep. Pushes it away. It's alive. Toring with the heave over. Fajardo sets up Kiana. Tracked down by Denden and Kim Fajardo. Rare moment for her to mishandle a pass there. Is Petrogas. Number 4 is Farm Fresh. And 5, Creamline is number 6. Here's Arado. Difficult set, but they make do. They got it. They got it. 2-point lead. Right now by Creamline.
It was almost a miscue on defense. Yung left or right wing nila.
Lipat tayo. Gumaba. Oh, and a lot of football action. Doesn't get the ball over. And Creamline restores a 2-point lead. Serving short. Davison skidding on the floor. Cut shot. Valdez. Good pickup by De Jesus. Valdez to Fajardo. Valdez on the floor. Galanza denied. Valdez with one hand on it. Shot, and it's out. It's a point for Creamline. Excellent recovery by Eliza Valdez.
Great defensive sequence from the two smashers. You also have to applaud the coverage of Ella De Jesus. That's why.
Mika will serve. Gumabaw uncorks and delivers.
Quick stop for Michelle Gumabaw. 5 points already to support the 6 points.
Revilla. Valdez. Playable. We are in play here. Good reach in by Denden. That is clearly hit by Eliza Valdez for her second point. We are at 24-23.
It was a faster shoot set from Kyle Negrito para makakuha ng
World Championship. Yeah.
So, ang balik natin ay October na.
Wow. I'll see you in October. But I'll see you in the World Championship, I'm sure. In the meantime, hello. We are tied, and we have expected it. It will be nip and tuck all the way. Look at how this was scored upon.
Enjoy off those Kim Fajardo sets.
I like your point the other night when we did the last game. The middle blockers, just if you can give contributions to them, 3 points, 4 points, that will amount to something. As Valdez has just scored, Creamline is back up front, 4-3.
Point number 3 for Eliza Valdez.
Kyla Atienza is alternating with Denden Lazaro Revilla at the libero position. Catarado doesn't make that many mistakes. Huh?
That's actually one of the discarte nila when it comes to player. But in the pros kasi, assumed na or given na dapat na pag binigyan ka ng instructions ng coach, i-apply mo na lang agad.
And we are underway, continuing. Eliza Valdez makes the connection, pushes their team in front by 4.
That's just trademark Eliza Valdez. She just disguised that drop ball so well, and she was coming from the back row.
Galanza accepting. The gentle push finds its way to the open area. 17-8. Gumabaw now knocking in 7.
Single block. Yung nasa harap ni Sammy Davison.
Yung huling palo doon sa pako na bago pumasok. Valdez gets it back quickly and it's 18-9. And the lead is 4. Elevated. Gumabaw. It's long. Mika serves again. Negrito. Valdez powers it up. And they arrive at set point. You know, Neil, we expected this to be hard, making it a clean attack. Here's a chance. Valdez gives it to them. And we're tied in the set count at 1 apiece. And listen to this crowd roar.
Perfect record. Back to you, 7 Neil.
Muchas gracias, says Sam Corrales. In the meantime, Davison just scored her 14th point. And there's a counter on the other side by Valdez.
Only player in double digits. 14 for her. Feel ko maka 25 to 30 yan si Savvy Davison. KKD with 8.
Baron's shot is parried away. That is blocked by Davison. We play on. This strike is blocked. Blocked. And it's out.
Creamline knows how to work around that wall of PLDT. KKD and Majoy Baron. Then you have a strong hand in Savvy Davison sa left.
Full house. That is inside. Got the angle. So Panaga, who's played so well here tonight. Fajardo. Look at Arado put a hand on it. Prado pushed it over. Denied entry. To the back row we go with Galanza. Here comes Davison. Panaga says no way. Here comes Gumabao. Read by Baron. Back row. Unable to handle the heat. You know, when you're playing catch-up, you really can't afford the service errors. And look at this. It's an ace. Uy, mahiya tayo. This service in play. But it's quickly scored upon by Creamline. In every set so far, they took the first. And Davison shanks down.
To connect the other skill categories. So they need to bring that out now in the fourth set.
Blocked endlessly, ano? Davison. Stretch war by Galanza. Negrito with a long set for Valdez. So it makes that work.
That's 11 for Eliza Valdez.
Let's give you the complete score. Michelle has chipped in 13. Galanza. Blocked. And it's out.
Set na naghahabol sila. Tapos nagbibigay pa sila ng libreng puntos.
Through the service errors, ano ha? 5 points is the lead. Prado. No. Door is closed. 2 straight by Creamline. That'll make it 10 for Panama. Atienza's back on the floor. Valdez overshooting. However,
everybody is getting their own fair share of points here in the fourth set.
And this is outside on the attempted block.
Advantage ng PLDT pag nasa likuran si Savvy at pumupuntos yung mga nasa harapan.
Blocked, but kept in play. I agree with you totally. In the meantime, that's outside. Davison wants this. Kept in play by Negrito. Atienza is on the floor. There she is again. The set, the strike. Yes!
But now they're just 1 point away from reaching that goal.
I'm looking at manager Baji Del Rosario closing his eyes, hoping that it will end soon. But it won't, as Creamline continues to kick and fight.
PLDT will get 4 chances to close this one out. Substitution for Creamline, Rose Vargas and Sheena.